I hope this reaches you in time, before you saunter. I I just wish I should have taken a leap with you, gone on that crazy road trip you spoke about, so much so that I began to daydream. Much of it consisted of you. I miss your van. You know what, truthfully, I miss you. I miss. If this reaches you on time, meet me where we first kissed, same time. I'll bring the American spirits. Also, remember what I said the day I left, that I'll find you again, so I can say I was wrong. I waited and waited. I even heard you call my name. I passed by your house, dark, characterless. I yelled for you. Nothing. People wonder why I visit this place so much, constantly getting pulled back to find something that I didn't know I was missing, telling myself I wouldn't come back. I rushed back. It was that cold Friday, exactly 10:23 p.m., that you answered those questions. I want to say I was speechless, but I guess mumbling counts. I'm leaving on a road trip next week, heading to the Pacific Northwest, hoping to find you. I'll find you.